Hey guys, what's up? It's time for my monthly unboxing, and I know how much you guys love the unboxing. So this time has been a really lucky month because I've got some really interesting stuff like planes and watches and cars and socks and clothes. So I can't wait to open it all up and show it to you. Start with this. The guys at Versace have sent me this nice little box, and there's a cool watch inside. So I'm gonna open it, and I've just unboxed it just a little bit. So I really like the dial. It's very simple and elegant. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Can't wait to wear it. Very nice for like casual. The guys at Jaguar have sent me this die-cast model. I absolutely love it. Thank you very much to the guys at Jaguar. What else do we have? Of course, all of you know how much I love my planes. So the guys at Turkish Airlines have decided to send me a model aircraft of the 737. Let me just take it out and show it to you. This is what it looks like. So I have to assemble it. The 737 model is absolutely cool. I'm gonna add it to my collection. Now the guys at Hugo Boss have sent me this Hugo Boss Reversed, which is really nice. Fragrance that I've used. I've kind of tried out, but I'm waiting to start using it. I really like the branding. This has of course been sent to me by the guys at Amazon because it's now available on Amazon. Of course, Valencia Socks needs no introduction in my wardrobe. So they've sent me these cricket themed socks, which are really cool. Thank you very much to the guys at Valencia. Who always do these really cool socks, and perfect considering that it's cricket season. I really like these. Thank you very much guys at Valencia. This is really interesting. So my friend Sakshi Mehra, who runs this company called Bundy, the Project Bundy, has custom made this cotton Bundy jacket for me. Let me know what you think. I think it's really beautiful. If you have a look at the print, it's really gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it. Project Bundy, thank you very much to Sakshi. You guys know how much I love my Tumi. So the guys at Tumi have sent me something. So you saw the backpack that I got last month. They've sent me something to add to the backpack. I'm going to show you what it is. This is basically a leather London luggage tag which you add to your backpack. Thank you very much to the guys at Tumi. I can't wait to use this. Something from the guys at Kerastase. Kerastase were always so generous and send me all these cool hair products. So Kerastase has sent me this box of like, usually they always send this box of like shampoo, a conditioner and a sort of styling or oil product. So we've got the Kerastase Discipline Voluminous and Unruly Hair Shampoo, which is the Bare Oleo Relax. Okay. Corresponding to that, we have got the Mask Oleo Relax. So that's the mask to be used to help voluminous and unruly hair. So my hair is really not unruly, it's behaving itself for now. And I've got a nice oil, Control in Motion oil for voluminous and control oil. Thank you very much to the guys at Kerastase for this. I have got the new Apple AirPods, which are really cool, and these are the second generation Apple AirPods, which you can actually use on the wireless charging case, which you can actually place on the flat charging mat, which I have back in office. So I'm using that. Something else from Apple, which is the iPhone XS Smart Battery Case. Basically, you need to charge this and fix it onto your phone, and it actually prolongs the life of your battery. So this is super practical, especially for people like me who use heavy usage of the phone on the go. What else do we have? Oh my god, I absolutely love this. The guys at Celio, Parisian brand, Celio India, do the most innovative gifts. And this time they've sent Chaussette Pizza Socks, which is pizza socks. Let me see what it looks like. It's actually come in a pizza box. So look at the way they've done the pizzas with different socks. This is the most awesome thing I've ever seen. I love it. An Instax, Fujifilm Instax camera given to me as a gift when I went for the Kia Motors launch of the Kia Motors car. This was given to me. What do we have? Oh, this is really interesting. I got this shirt very nicely packaged. So this brand called Capraha, which is doing these nice cotton linen printed stuff, and they are launching in Colombo at the Design Collective in Colombo. So all you people in Colombo, check these out. Cool Indian brand launching in Design Collective. So thank you very much. I have got something from L'Oreal Men Expert. So this little travel kit, and this is L'Oreal Men Expert Barber Club. So I've got a long beard and skin oil. I've got a short beard and face moisturizer, and I've got a beard, face and hair wash, all in this handy package, which is really cool. So thank you very much, the guys at L'Oreal Men. While in the subject of beard care, Beardo, as we know, nice beard products, have sent me this super cool t-shirt which says Beardo. Maybe it's now time for me to grow a beard and sport this t-shirt. Let me know what you think. A nice little hamper from the guys at Details Communication. Misty Cocktail Bar in Colaba have sent me a nice little flask for, I don't know, coffee, water, cocktails, I don't know, whatever. They sent me some coffee, Nandan coffee, some Swami tonic water. Really like the Swami tonic water. Thanks to Anish Basin and company. And of course, a little swig of gin. Thank you very much, Misty. I cannot wait to enjoy this. Then, Healthy Cravings Co., of course, a company that does all these super cool snacky items, which are Indian spices. These are roasted and not fried, 100% natural. So we've got flavors like sun-dried tomato and herbs, Indian spices. So a whole hamper of these snacky stuff for me, which I really like. Thank you very much. Neemly Naturals, really cool packaging. I'm gonna see what's inside. So it's this brand of natural skincare brand that's based in Bandra in Mumbai. So nice this thing. So they've got a night cream which is called Moon Friend, and under eye cream which is called Baggage Repair. Okay, so very nice natural products. And day cream, Argan and Rose day cream. So this is definitely a brand to check out. Natural products with some really cool ingredients like cucumber, and what else do we have? Vitamin E, rose essential oil, etc. Your new BFF is here from the guys at Setu, which is like a nutrition company, an Indian nutrition company, and they've sent me this big box, of course, with a nice cute umbrella. And they are doing these nutritional supplements. So there are two of them which they've sent me. So they said to Turmeric, which promotes healthy aging and powers joint health. So it's got turmeric as well. Said to IMAX, perfect for people like me, stronger vision for the digital age. So really nice products which kind of you can use. Made in India products. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what this box is. It says Har Stress Ka Funny Ilaj. Comic Stan presents. Comic Stan in association with Raw Pressery. Comic Stan's new season just got juicier with Raw Pressery. So Raw Pressery has sent a nice box of almond milk which says get stomach ache from laughing, not bloating. Tension ko mast dabao, the stress ball. Then emotions ko ghumao is like cotton. And yeah, thank you very much to the team at Raw Pressery. This is really innovative. So Indigo Delhi, a restaurant that we all know very well, is launching a new menu with some really cool ingredients. So what they've basically done is they've given me a recipe of ancient grain upma, which has all these different grains which are almost forgotten, which we don't really know some of these grains. So they've actually put all the ingredients and all these grains in these little bags like this, and you're supposed to throw it all in and make the upma, and there's a little chutney at the end of it. So that's a very innovative invite. And finally, we've got a nice big box from the guys at Foodzee, the guys that specialize in doing these diet plans and meal plans and everything. And they just turned 2 and they've sent me this nice little box, and let's see what's in there. So that's a nice little flask, little tote, environment friendly tote bag, perfect for carrying gym shoes or anything, and of course a nice little t-shirt. So congratulations to the guys at Foodzee, and I hope I've not forgotten anything. I think I've covered pretty much everything, and let me just show you the state of my bed right now. It's so messy. It's going to take me a couple of minutes to clean it all up. Thank you very much for watching this, guys, and of course if you have any comments, don't forget to leave me some comments, and of course like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you like these unboxing, I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, enjoy.